Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, made a rare visit at former President Trump's campaign event in Butler, Pennsylvania on Saturday, giving a speech that will go down in history. Not long after Trump's own remarks, Musk, sporting a black "Make America Great Again" hat and a t-shirt that said "Occupy Mars," took the stage in front of 60,000 followers. The rally took place at the same location where gunman Thomas Matthew Crook shot Trump on July 13th. Musk punched, "As you can see, I am not just MAGA, I am Dark MAGA," referencing the Dark Brandon meme. He referred to the election that would take place on November 5th as the most important election of our lifetime. "This is no ordinary election," Musk asserted. "The other side wants to take away your freedom of speech." Although Musk has become a vocal Trump supporter, the speech marked the first time that the tech entrepreneur stumped at a major presidential rally. Musk previously confirmed that he would be at the rally on social media this week. Over to you, JB.
Imagine you creating a news channel with a powerful AI tool which is completely free. I'm going to share with you in this video. Now, if you come over to Google Trends, try looking for the hottest news in town about the United States election, Donald Trump. So that's what we're going to be looking into in this video. After you're done with Google Trends, you come over to YouTube, one of the fastest search engine by Google. Now, on your search bar, type in the USA election, try to spot out the one with a lot of views and high engagement and likes. So I will go with this one, Elon Musk at Donald Trump rally full speech. Now, first thing first, we're going to model this video right here by coming into Google, type in Elon Musk at Trump rally full speech and try to pick up the one that best suits you, and you get to copy it and take it to this chatbot to rewrite the scripts we got from Google to avoid copyright issues. Okay, once you're in this chatbot, you simply paste in the script to rewrite and watch the power of this bot by clicking right here, and boom, now we have our script ready. It's time for us to create our news presenter with the power of this AI that turns any photo or script to life. Once you're in this AI tool, you quickly sign up with your Google account and voila, that's all. And right here you can see multiple avatars, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are creating a news by clicking right here. Try to find out the avatar that best match your curiosity. So right here, what you simply do is to paste in the script we got from Qbot, and you can actually change the background. As for me, I will be going with this green guy right here, and right here you can pick the perfect voice that match your curiosity. Once you're perfectly done, you kindly click on export, and it will take a minute to generate the video together with the voiceover, and boom, here is the most important step to create in our news background and bring everything we have gotten into reality: CapCut. And a quick one, we are about to hit 100k subscribers. I need 26 of you guys to go right here and smash the subscribe button, because there's a moment you have been waiting for, guys. So once in CapCut, you simply import the video we generated, and also I will be importing a news intro and a news background. I will be leaving the link in the description where you can get a news intro and a background. Now, firstly, you paste the background into the timeline, and secondly, you paste in the intro and make it very short, and lastly, you paste in the video we generated. To remove the green background, you click on chroma key and watch the power of CapCut. Boom, and you can actually spice them up by adding some scenes that actually happen, just like the one you're watching right here. So once everything is perfectly done, you kindly click on export to preview. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment below. So see you in the next video. Stay safe. Boom.
Real Madrid players are still criticizing the choice to not include Vinicius Jr. in this year's Ballon d'Or. The largest individual football prize for 2024 was supposed to go to the Brazil forward, but shocking news broke early on Monday that Rodri, a standout for Manchester City, would take it instead. Rodri did just that. Despite winning numerous other honors that evening, Los Blancos completely boycotted the ceremony due to the intense ire in the Spanish capital. Jude Bellingham placed third in the men's Ballon d'Or rankings, ahead of Dani Carvajal, while the now-retired Toni Kroos was among the top 10. Carlo Ancelotti was chosen the year's greatest coach. Several of their major players, Real Madrid players, are still criticizing the choice to not include Vinicius Jr. in this year's Ballon d'Or. The largest individual football prize for 2024 was supposed to go to the Brazil forward, but shocking news broke early on Monday that Rodri, a standout for Manchester City, would take it instead. Rodri did just that. Despite winning numerous other honors that evening, Los Blancos completely boycotted the ceremony due to the intense ire in the Spanish capital. Jude Bellingham placed third in the men's Ballon d'Or rankings, ahead of Dani Carvajal, while the now-retired Toni Kroos was among the top 10. Carlo Ancelotti was chosen the year's greatest coach. Several of their major players, Real Madrid players, are still criticizing the choice to not include Vinicius Jr. in this year's Ballon d'Or. The largest individual football prize for 2024 was supposed to go to the Brazil forward, but shocking news broke early on Monday that Rodri, a standout for Manchester City,